parent, I told Junebug he's not allowed to go Diddy against Pink Fresh. Because else, yeah, that's what would have happened. He would have been eliminated in third.
No, I mean, he's been beating Pink Fresh the whole time. This is the collusion that happened, okay? Everyone knew that if Seagull Joe went in to losers finals, the probability of him losing is way higher than Junebug because Junebug has a way higher win-loss ratio against Pink Fresh.
Of course.
So, in fact, this is Seagull's first win against Pink Fresh ever. So he's like 10-1, while Pink Fresh is like 2-10 with Junebug. This 2 being today.
Well, that's fine. Seagull's about to add another win as we are taking this to Green Hill Zone, one of our newest neutrals.
Yeah, I forgot this was even a neutral day.
Yes,
that's why I got counterpicked here. I'm so sad. Anyway. I would have been. Doesn't look like he's going to start off too well right now. As I expected, this man Seagull has no idea what to do against Pink Fresh, as per usual.
Well, clearly Pink Fresh known for getting them lucky-ass starts right there, but that's not a big deal for somebody like Seagull. Very well educated, not from the streets, by the way. This man attended several grad schools, actually.
I feel like that's factual information. He's also the Xanadu accountant, but I don't care about what he's doing right now. These numbers ain't going to help win this game. Got him.
But some good DI like that certainly will. Pink Fresh.
What? Come again?
Well, we at EE Sports are very generous to our opponents. And right there, you just see Seagull demonstrating that quite well. Nice grab right there.
And the terrible follow-ups right now. We'll talk about that, though. We'll talk about that a little later. But now we get some real good grabs right here from Pink Fresh. Pink Fresh going ahead and get him off stage. Oh, very lucky. Side B coming in from Seagull Joe.
Seagull, excellent back throw right there. Looking to get this banana game started right here. Pink Fresh again finds himself always just so fortunate, it seems like, but not too much on that one as he eats that down smash.
And Pink Fresh is going to go ahead and volunteer that stock up. For the gods. I mean, but it's not even really going to help Seagull Joe out. He's now getting a little bit of damage on, but it's nothing that's really going to matter. Seeing that Pink Fresh will come through. Look at that. What did I tell you? I told you the way coming through.
Well, certainly, Pink Fresh no stranger to taking advantage of a player while he's down. No respect. Seagull, of course, would have let him get back to the ledge. But, at EE Sports, we pride ourselves at being a little bit better as he takes that stock right there.
I don't even know what better or what. Collusion? Got him. All right, that's all I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
Chaz, what?
You funny. You funny. Okay.
All right.
Ooh, okay. Pink Fresh getting some lucky shit right here.
Pink Fresh getting in some very calculated, tactful damage right now. That's all I'm saying. Just tacking on damage at any given point. Anytime Seagull makes an error, which is pretty much 99% of his gameplay, he ends up getting punished for it just like that.
Okay, yeah. Well, Seagull's a very polished player. What he likes to do is game 1, condition his opponent to expect dumb shit. Then game number 2, that's when he goes in. Very unique strategy from this man, but one that has certainly got him to grand finals, as we are seeing here. Nice forward there. No nerf needed on that one, Project M Backroom.
Definitely something that comes quite a few times if you really think about it. Seagull Joe, one of those characters that really, they try to act like, that they know what they're doing in the first game. In the second game, they might know a little bit, but it's not really going to help him in this situation. He's got to win 3 games while Pink Fresh only has to win 6. Only has to win 6.
Oh, okay. We're saying, nice sweet spot. He's been doing that all day. Why? Because of the hard work and dedication that we here at EE Sports pride ourselves on. This man always in the lab 24/7. When he's not teaching, he's working.
No, that's pretty true. I give you that. I mean, the man's definitely an actual teacher. I mean, that's the only thing he really has on his resume.
Absolutely. And Pink Fresh about to learn today.
Oh, yeah? Oh, what? Again? Again?
Well, of course, game mechanics here not favoring Seagull Joe as he is a victim of poor design. Project M Backroom, I'm talking to you.
So Project M Backroom, I just want to know, at one point in time, did you think it was okay for Diddy Con to have a recovery that will go from the left side of the stage to the right side? Easy. And I'm talking about left side blast zone to the right side of the stage.
Well, simply put, that rewards talented players that we here at EE Sports represent, such as Junebug, who took a respectable 3rd place, and Seagull Joe, who's about to win the tournament. There you go.
All right. All right, so we're in the game 2 right here. I'm pretty sure this is Joe's last-ditch effort to get a good stage because it really isn't going to help the man out at all.
Well, you know what? I believe that this is a stage that will indeed help Seagull Joe out. Unfortunately, right now, taking a little residual damage there. All right.
And just straight-up amazing gameplay coming from the left side of the screen, a.k.a. Pink Fresh right now. I don't even think Joe's even holding his controller. Like, I just don't even... It's like a 5-year-old playing his big brother.
Well, as far as I'm concerned, that was a reparation stock. Obviously, Seagull feels really guilty. A couple years ago, did not go down the way America today would, support. We're very polished here at EE Sports.
I don't have an answer to that. All right. right, you got that right. I'm like, oh, and he's still living though.
Oh.
The charity snake.
Oh, good stuff with the down smash. Not enough to kill. You know, pretty decent DI there from Pink Fresh.
And see, the problem is right here, not Junebug, sorry. Seagull just does not have the correct options for follow-ups right now. But I mean, what do you expect from a player from EE Sports? They always try to go for something that's not going to work.
Oh, well, okay. Anyway, we're watching the match here. Now that worked. Certainly, we here at EE Sports, we're known to make a few mistakes every now and then, but rest assured, we do correct them quite quickly. For a while there, I was chasing black girls, and now I'm all about the whiteness. Obviously, one of the biggest corrections I made, and I'm looking for Seagull to make a correction, something similar to that, as we're seeing him take complete control right now.
I mean, it looks like he's taking a little bit of control, but much like Envy, he's just going to have to go ahead and give that back like that refund you guys owe me. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and...
Shots fired.
Shots fired. Anyway.
Oh, nice, broken abuse again of the mechanics in this game. Pink Fresh, obviously no warrior spirit here, getting those cheap kills all day. Seagull, however, will elect to fight this man head-on with actual gameplay, and he's going to try and kill him with a nice throw right there.
And see, the problem is what you call broken mechanics is what I call straight-up skill right there. I mean,
okay.
It takes the rope snake. Yes, if you miss it, you get punished for like 400 frames. I mean, like it's a risk or reward right there. He deserves that. That's all I'm saying.
Well,
we're talking about broken mechanics. Why he need to up throw to kill? He got like 1,900 kill moves as is. PNBR, please. Anyway, nice
pivot grab from Seagull Joe there. Done a good job bringing this back despite Pink Fresh actually having a somewhat good start. Oh, he's definitely getting bodied right now.
Uh-oh.
Yes.
And it looks like, I think what Pink Fresh is actually setting up right now is the Pink Fresh comeback. As he is down. I will give you that. He is down. But it's not by a lot. And I could definitely see him losing his stock and then taking two like it's nothing. 30 seconds each.
Look,
Let's go.
I mean, this is what we pride ourselves here, and we're about the long game. Pink Fresh, he'll start off, nice and flashy and all that stuff, but we're about the long game, all right? You know what I compare him to? Mike Jones. Where's he now? Nowhere. My man out here, Seagull, Jay-Z. Talk to me. It's Ho! Okay.
I would like to compare the young Pink Fresh to the late, great Yeezus.
Late, great.
Yeah, the late, great.
Okay.
The late great Chris Brown at one time, and this is very true in this situation where you guys trying to collude. The late great Chris Brown at one time said, "These hoes ain't loyal. These hoes referring to you and your team."
Look,
you guys.
Okay, a nice snipe there from Seagull,
but he's still living.
And I don't prefer to call it collusion. We are tacticians of the game.
bracket tacticians.
Yes, bracket tacticians. We are very proud of our players here, as Seagull Joe is on course, of course, to take this match from a very shoddy Pink Fresh.
Well, I'm not really sure if that's the words you want to use right now, as that was a very questionable option to come back in here. Even more questionable, just lucky that actually did not slide like it usually does.
Well, actually, Seagull Joe's spacing is known to be immaculate, as we just demonstrated right there.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. We'll see. He about to come in right here. This one get punished right here. Never mind.
Excellent.
He's smart. He's smart sometimes. We talking about what?
Well, obviously, I mean, you know what a Phantom hit. I believe that was a Phantom extension there that allowed Pink Fresh to get that very cheap kill. Again, shout-outs to the shoddy game mechanics that I'm on display right now.
A Phantom hit extension. I'm dead. That was actually too good.
Okay, Seagull looking to hold on here. Definitely don't want to allow a bracket reset. We don't want these guys to get a big head, think they're somebody.
I mean, sometimes it has to come down to that. Now, it looks like it's going to come down to that. Seagull Joe very lucky to not take an up smash right there. I really felt like it was coming, but Pink Fresh tried to, he wanted to end the game a different way. That was not the way to do it.
That with poor accuracy. Eats the down smash.
Still living, though.
All right.
Talk about some DI.
Looks like that down smash that Diddy needs a little bit of a buff. That certainly should have killed.
All right, talk about the grab that's coming, though.
Yes, I do believe a back air is actually the option.
All right. Well, see, honestly though,
yes.
Why are bananas even in the game? Like, why? What happened to no items? Like,
well, you know what?
Someone explain to me that.
I mean, well, what the hell is that thing Lucas is slinging around?
Oh, what I'm saying is, can anyone else pick it up? Oh, all right then.
Oh, well,
when you turn items off, is bananas not one of the items? Oh, all right then.
Well, however, we here at EA Sports, we play characters that allow our opponent to interact as well. Both players are able to use those bananas. We are not selfish on the team. All right, here we are, game number 3. Seagull about to just go ahead and win the next 2 games here, and we're going to get out of here and go do what we do. Probably some charity work.
at EE Sports.
Of course, we are very proud to go to Baltimore and work in soup kitchens as well as play Smash Brothers quite competitively.
Yeah. Over here at TK Breeze Sports, we also do charity work mostly on pipes, if you know what I mean. We always down to lay a couple pipes. Anyway, so anyway, we're gonna get right back into this match right now. 122% on my man TK Breeze Sports Pink Fresh, but never mind. Oh, Dragon Ball Z moment. Oh,
no,
someone's still living.
No,
hold up.
There's only one saying on the screen, and his name is Seagull Joe. If you recall, all black people in DBZ was Mr. Popo, and he was mitigated to fodder.
I mean, he's a monkey, though. He could just be a Saiyan, an actual Saiyan.
He is.
Okay.
No tail needed.
No tail, but he got one. Anyway. Yeah, can we get the Saiyan skin on Diddy though? By the way, can we get like the Saiyan armor? Like?
That would be pretty hype, actually. Yeah.
All right, so it looks like Seagull Joe's trying to take a cheap trick out of Junebug's book, where you do that dash tech off stage, and for some reason the hitbox lasts for a full 60 frames or whatever.
Of course, you would call it cheap. You're just mad that our players actually share their knowledge.
Y'all sharing stocks too? Because I think Junebug need to go ahead and donate him one right now. I don't know what just happened right there, but it ain't looking too good for your boy.
Basically, what we saw there is Seagull, taking pity on the young man. He might not know he's employed, so he definitely doesn't want to shatter his dreams. This is quite proud of us.
Is this a tip? Because he wrecks the Red Robins right here.
Yeah.
This is Seagull Joe's tip. I'll give you a stock. That's 25%.
That is not too bad.
Oh,
but unfortunately for that, not taking too much percent to get that kill.
So we're 1-1 right now, right?
We are indeed 1-1.
Okay.
About to be 2-0 in Seagull's favor, obviously. Is this
2-0, as in he's going to take a game back?
Yes. Absolutely.
All right. Like, is that a EE Sports benefit?
Well, we generally believe that at tournaments I run, if you win the next two, then you automatically erase the first loss.
I could stand behind that.
Yeah, and I have the money, so you can't do shit about it. Anyway, we're gonna stick into this match. Nice command grab from Seagull. Excellent gameplay here. Pink Fresh not doing too bad of a job. We will give credit where credit is due. A young upstart like this guy, definitely looking to make his presence felt. But unfortunately, Seagull's such an established member in the community.
You don't mean that. You can't even look me in the straight eye and say that, man. You don't mean that.
Follow this man on Twitter.
Follow this man on Twitter at Phenomenal EE. All right, follow that man to the blast zone, though, as he just took that up throw, and he's gone. Let's see what's going to happen here.
A little unfortunate play right there. Oh, but of course, no patience is basically what you get out of TK Breezy Sports. These guys don't know how to wait.
TK Breeze Sports, come on.
Breeze Sports,
Don't be rude.
I'm sorry, I apologize.
Don't be rude.
I'm sorry.
All right, this is a real problem right now. For whatever reason,
yes.
My only rep on TK Breeze Sports, which I just started 2 minutes ago, by the way, is not really doing a great job against EE Sports, and that's not what I like to see.
Well, it's not too much of a surprise. We're established members of this community. We do a lot. We host tournaments. We commentate. Get it in. We do it all.
Oh, and you guys also don't easily punish moves right there. I hope this costs this man a stop.
I don't think you understand that our whole game plan is to not take cheap advantages of people.
Okay.
So obviously, if Pink Fresh is enough of a fraud to make that mistake, we're not going to capitalize on it.
I mean, all I'm saying is I just don't understand how he's getting away with these recoveries right now. I'm going to have to pull my correspondent to the side.
Well, in the unlikely event that this does actually see set number 2, I will be having a talk with Joe before we bounce into that.
Okay.
In the unlikely event. All right, Seagull needs to go ahead and just finish this. The man's at 157. Yes, as expected. EE Sports. We game 1, like I said, you condition the man. One more. Well, that's because the chat is ignorant to the fact that EE Sports is out here for the community.
We here at TK Breeze Sports understands what's going on right now, and I don't really get what's going on with Pink Fresh, but I feel like I'm gonna have to pull him to the side, slap him up a couple times, and we're gonna get back into this match.
I mean, sometimes slavery works. The motivation of a good whip is all it takes. As we are about to head into game number 4.
And all we're seeing right here is a display of how cheap this character actually is. Look, I mean, he's obviously the best character in the game. Look. No doubt about it. It's like Meta Knight all over again. And to see such a brave young man try to come and triumph on this,
I will give
everyone wants to join TK Bree Sports after that.
I will give him his credit. He is a good, young upstart, young up-and-coming player. Obviously, if he's not taking orders, he's in the lab. He tries. I give him that. But Seagull, I mean, he's just better.
All right. There's really see now that's just lies and slander and come on. What are you doing?
I don't agree with
propaganda,
lies.
dog.
No. I would make a great reporter, actually.
You would not.
Yes, I would.
You would not. You're very biased.
I'm biased.
You're biased, right? You're really trying to say Pink or Seagull?
Yes.
After his fresh off his mic, could be possibly his first tournament win ever.
Yes.
In Project M. All right, it's all good. Oh, wow, I don't even know how that back air hit. Can we talk about those hitboxes right away? That back air was out well before he was even close to hitting that ground, and for some reason, he still got a hit. Can we talk about that PNBR?
Look, as expected, Seagull throwing him a bone right now.
Oh, yeah?
Yes. Well, I guess I should say a banana. Yes, that is my wit.
And I think we just muted EE Sports' mic right now. With that terrible punt, he had to go.
Oh, nice jabs, right there. Good stuff, Seagull.
All right. Okay. Seagull's gonna get. I thought he was gonna get spiked right there, but ends up going for a back air instead. Seagull.
Oh, overshoots it on purpose because we cancel those ledges.
Let's cancel. I'll give him that. That was pretty nice. I mean, I'm pretty sure I was pretty lucky, but. He didn't think about it. Oh, but he thought about that bat to the face, though. He's still living.
Interesting.
Just barely.
Another one of those phantom extensions, apparently.
Let's talk about that, though.
All right, that's pretty nice.
Let's talk about that.
I will give him his credit.
Let's talk about that. He thought he had the good DI, just got jabbed up, though. He was like, hey, stand up real quick. Stand up. You got to get out of here. Much like the drunk girl at the party. The boy got thrown out.
I got no problem giving her a ride. Okay, here we go. That Seagull. Yes, excellent play by Seagull. Oh, my. All right.
All right, we're talking about excellent play right now. Seagull Joe has yet to been able to get a hit since the sockets got off. And, all right, very lucky right there to be able to have a side B that gives you so much momentum to get out of there. Nice punish, though, yes, I guess.
A very sloppy up smash from Pink Fresh. What can you expect, from, I mean, somebody sponsored by Breezy Sports or whatever.
Come on, stop disrespecting my brand, bro.
Oh, I'm sorry. Do you have napkins?
In your whole career.
Because we do.
All of it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
We got napkin, cookies, milk of 3 kinds.
Well, we have buttons.
Oh, okay. Well, y'all got that. Y'all got that.
We do have buttons.
We also have a better music pack. Got them.
It's not my damn weed.
Oh,
I didn't notice Seagull was actually down here. It looks like maybe doing a little too much charity work right now. I have to have a talk with him.
I guess he's just thinking about what he's going to do after this and how he's going to help those starving children in Africa something. Because the gameplay, the head is not in the game right now.
It only takes 30 cents, and obviously the winnings, the Seagull here, he will be donating a $5 portion to one of those lovely charities.
He will not be donating anything. Seagull's a Jew, you know this.
Yeah, he is a Jew, and that's why I'm so surprised that I found a Jew willing to donate. We here at eSports, we strive ourselves on uniqueness. And Seagull certainly one of the more unique characters in the region.
Oh, okay. They're going to have to uniquely lose that stock, though. And that game, we are now going to game 4 right now. And
5.
5. Oh, sorry, 5. Wow. Dang, I got to keep up. I'm so not used to watching Joe win that I thought it was game 4. All right. So this could be the start of something great or the end of TK Bree Sports as we know it. Because if Pink Fresh loses, I'm going ahead and shut down my sponsorship today. It started today, ended today. TK Bree Sports 2014 to 2014.
We'll be more than happy to absorb you. We're aiming to be a conglomerate.
Oh, ew. That's the grossest word I've ever heard. I know what it means, but I'm just not ready for you to say it.
Hey, I told you that word of the day calendar is real. However, that was yesterday's word. Today's word is perfection. All right, here we are, game number 5 as Seagull Joe certainly looking to end the fraudulent run of Pink Fresh here. Really shouldn't have got past Junebug, but because of the, the nature of, the life problems that Pink Fresh faces, we don't want to go ahead and put him into an even deeper depression.
Can we talk about these life problems that we're talking about, that you for some reason know about?
Oh, well, he's black.
Well, I mean, that's a life problem for all of us, including Junebug, who may not be black, but he might as well be black enough right now. And that is not a good startup that we need to see from TK Bree Sports right now.
Yes.
EE Sports definitely got the cheap cards out.
Well, you know, it's not. I wouldn't say a cheap card as much as it is Game Shark reads. We just know. We just know.
This is a Game Informer right now. We play Asia. Like, what's going on? Like,
oh my goodness, Pink Fresh struggling right here as expected. You know, I like to compare Seagull to Rock Lee. When you take off the sandbags, it just goes downhill. And unfortunately, for Pink Fresh, he is learning the hard way that EE Sports is dominant for a reason. The next great legend right here. You know, all legends had to start. You know, Kobe wasn't always a professional. He started out as a rookie. And this man, Seagull, out here looking like the next Kobe Bryant.
Well, it's all good. It looks like this is going to be the start of what Pink Fresh needed to do. He got that first stock off, which only means he's going to get the next 4 off quite easy. Oh.
Even our recoveries do damage.
Oh. Oh, okay. Well, smart recovery right there by Pink Fresh, not going for the rope snake
instead. Nice command grab right there. Pink Fresh.
This Diddy character, I mean, how is it so easy to be the best character in the game? That's all I'm saying.
I really think that your bias is showing a little bit. We all know that Diddy's probably one of the most balanced characters in the game.
Yeah?
And, I mean, you know, come on, man. Just take it down a notch.
I'm pretty sure Diddy is like top. He's top 0 in this game. He's SSS tier.
I would agree with that. In the hands of a player like Seagull or Junebug, you know, sponsored by EE Sports, yes, we do tend to make characters look more broken than they actually are. But in this case, he's just getting his ass whooped.
Oh, deep call, not deep enough though.
Well, sometimes you can take it slow.
All right. And I am appreciating the fact he's starting to use these Z grabs. Now he's all over him, but that up smash out of shield, why is that even a thing? You know, you can actually hit that twice. It does like 700 damage.
Really?
PNBR, please. No.
All right, Seagull escaping that rather endangered predicament right here.
All right, that block right here. Looks like Pink Fresh might have caught on right now.
No, it looks like you're just fishing.
No, man, I'm pretty sure he caught on him. He's at 54% right now. He's still living. Almost died right there. I don't know what that was about. Risky gameplay. On off the ground though. But OTGs though. OTGs.
You want to talk about broken characters? The range on that up smash. I'm gonna have to have a talk with Strong Bat or something. Something needs to be done.
No,
I'm very uncomfortable with what I just saw.
Look, we have like 4 or 5 PNBR members in Maryland, and you think about Strong Bat.
Well, obviously,
it just goes to show you how in tune esports is with the community.
It does go to show that because I don't favor my region over other areas. I want to talk to somebody from Michigan.
Nah, he's not even from Michigan. That's how bad you are right now. Man is in Ohio. Anyway, hold that.
The Midwestern region is what I was trying to say.
Do y'all hear the scramble right now? Because that's not out here.
The Midwestern region. Speaking of scrambling, that's exactly what Pink Fresh is doing. As he's just attempting to hang in here and reset this bracket. Unfortunately for him, that is not going to be the case. Seagull one good hit away, and that will do it.
Oh, that's going to be it.
And EE Sports reigns supreme. As expected. As expected. Are we on camera? Oh, okay. Well, obviously you had a good effort. And no one can fault you for that. I would like to think that everybody out there learned something today. I don't sponsor scrubs. But none of you out there are scrubs. You're all amazing. All you have to do is believe in EE Sports. And I believe in you. You're all the best. And I mean that. TK, do you have some words? Perhaps you'd like to swallow your pride and congratulate our Squabbles Smash 5 champion.
I like to shout outs to PNBR and that fraud ass character Diddy.
Okay.
Y'all ain't shit. No one in the stream is shit. He definitely ain't shit. I'm out.